Hello everyone, this is Koshani and welcome back to my channel again. I hope all of you are good and safe. So guys, I think you all are aware of that Kolkata Metro has gone underground after 25 years and I have planned to visit it today and have a look of the brand new metro station. Yeah guys, you guessed it right, it's Phoolbagan Metro Station. It has been inaugurated on 4th of October 2020 and started its operations from 5th of October 2020. It's a new addition to the east-west corridor of this metro, and I will be traveling from Phoolbagan to Salt Lake Sector 5. So now we are heading inside the metro station, and it seems we are the only people who are gonna travel today. Due to this pandemic situation, the tokens are not issued from the counter. So I had my old smart card with me, which I have recharged from the counter itself, and now I'm ready to embark on the journey. So as you can see, these are the traditional Bengali art forms which are depicted all over the wall. This is a very festive for we Bengalis because this is a time for welcoming Ma Durga to her homely abode, and the painting of the dhaki is adding the flavor of joy to this. So here, as I can see, the train has already arrived on the platform, and a new safety feature has been installed in the East West Metro. That is an extra automatic door setup is there just in front of the metro entrance door. Both the doors will be opened at a time. So now the train is scheduled to start after 15 minutes, so we have plenty of time to roam around the platform. So you can see the door is opened and we are inside the coach and the journey is about to begin. The seats are crossed marked to maintain the social distancing, but I guess in this train hardly 5 to 6 people are there, so there is no fear of getting any congestion. The journey has begun. And the train is coming out on the ground from the underground tunnel, and the next stoppage is Salt Lake Stadium. The view is looking pretty good. So this is the famous Hyatt Regency. So now we are going over Salt Lake area, and I'm guessing this is Salt Lake sector 1.
Next station is City Center. Doors will open on the left. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
अगला स्टेशन सिटी सेंटर, दरवाजे बाईं ओर खुलेंगे। कृपया गाड़ी और प्लेटफॉर्म के बीच की दूरी का ध्यान रखें।
So now we are in City Center 1.
अगला स्टेशन
From City Center to Karunamai, we will get to see all the government buildings or offices. And now we have reached Karunamai. We are moving towards Sector 5, which is the IT hub of Kolkata.
Phoolbagan Station, Salt Lake Sector 5.
So now we have reached to the destination point, which is Salt Lake Sector 5, and we will be heading outside of the station now. This platform as well is looking quite empty and neat and clean as well, as very less, not even less, I guess no one is there except us. Hey everyone, so I have reached home and have enjoyed the trip a lot. So the new feather of Kolkata Metro is actually very nice, and the infrastructure also looks quite good and looks very neat and clean as well. So due to this COVID situation, most of the offices are closed in Salt Lake Sector 5, which is the IT hub of Calcutta, and people are working from home as of now. So I hope it will be pretty much crowded once everything will be under control, and once everything will be normal. So guys, last but not the least, I would like to say all of you that do watch this full video, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and comment smooth as well. So lastly, wish you all a very happy Durga Puja and happy Navratri. Stay safe, stay happy. Signing off. Bye bye.